Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use the function tooth restoration. This will allow you to easily indicate what restoration method was used to fix a tooth using the different restoration methods available. From the diary screen, click on the patient's booking whose teeth are going to be restored. On the side panel, click on the dental button. This will open the observation diagnosis screen. Click on the tooth where the restoration will take place. On the side panel, there are 3 restoration option drop-down menus: resin, amalgam, and porcelain restoration. Click on the relevant restoration method that you would like to perform on the patient on the side panel of the diagnosis observation screen. Click on the filter from the drop-down menu. This will open a comprehensive menu where the restoration area can be selected. By clicking on the different letters in the blue block, the teeth can be filtered by categories. These filters will be the same for all 3 restoration methods. You are able to select more than one option to find the desired area more easily. To unselect a letter, click on it again. M. Mesial, the front edge of the tooth. D. Distal, the back edge of the tooth. B. Buccal, the outer edge of the tooth nearest to the cheek. L. Lingual, the inside edge of the tooth nearest to the tongue. O. Occlusal, the biting surface of the tooth of the molar and premolar teeth. It is possible to also filter by the number of surfaces. Click on the preferred restoration method to open the drop-down menu. Click on the number of surfaces that need restoration. Click on the desired form of restoration to select it. The method that was selected will now be indicated on the tooth that the filters were used on. To remove a restoration method from a tooth, select the tooth and click on Remove. The surface area block will appear where you can select a specific surface that you would like to remove the restoration method by clicking on it. When you are done and satisfied with what you have added to the tooth, click on the Save and Close to return to the diary.